advisory statement. For the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Delaware, Hamilton, Hendricks, Madison, Marion, and Tipton. Wind advisory now in effect until noon Eastern Standard Time today. West winds 25 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. The areas affected include portions of central, east central, north central, and west central Indiana. The hazardous conditions are expected until noon Eastern Standard Time today. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Here is a wind advisory.
Yeah, after that wind advisory, it looks reasonable. A lot reasonable. Snowing as heck. And there are blowing snowflakes. It's starting to calm down right now. 2 chairs fell down. Anyways, this is at 2 a.m., so I'm extremely tired, so, yeah, good night. I did just have that wind chill advisory, so this is the extended wind advisory until noon, so hope you enjoy it.